Welcome back. Thanks so much for streaming with us on this busy Friday afternoon here in the Fox 5 newsroom. I'm Tom Haynes. We're covering several breaking stories at this hour. This is a live picture inside the Fulton County Courthouse where we understand that we have a verdict now in the case of a man suspected of murdering an off-duty Fulton County deputy. We understand that the jury is back. The defendant there is seated, as well as prosecutors there. The judge is in place. I want to listen for a second to see if we're hearing anything from inside the courtroom. All right, that is the accused killer, Alton Oliver, sitting there with his defense team. Alton Oliver said that he acted in self-defense when he shot and killed the Fulton County deputy there. The prosecution obviously says otherwise. We know that the jury is back. They've been deliberating for the good part of about a day and a half or more, probably 10 to 12 hours at this point now. Let's listen.
Please have a seat, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Williams, I understand that the jury's been able to reach a verdict.
Yes, sir.
Is this the verdict that I'm holding in my hand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has it been agreed to by all 12 members of the jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
It has been dated and signed. Is that
Yes.
correct? All right. Publishing the verdict, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty as to all 6 counts of the bill of indictment. Sheriff, will you please hand this to State's counsel and pass it over to...
Wait, what?
Didn't I say not?
No, we didn't hear it.
We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty on all 6 counts. I apologize for my mispronunciation. Anything further from the state?
No, Your Honor.
From the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, your one-day or one-jury trial service has come to a conclusion. I once again want to thank you on behalf of all the Superior Court judges down here in Fulton County for your attendance. As I told you the other day, we invite you down here and we take you away from your homes and family, your vacations and work. We ask you to interact with other people that you don't know and make some pretty tough calls. And this case falls in that category of a pretty tough call. But we appreciate your hard work and reaching your decision.
A stunning verdict out of the Fulton County Courthouse this afternoon. 26-year-old Alton Oliver has just been found not guilty on all 6 counts in the shooting death of off-duty Fulton County Deputy James Thomas Jr. The two apparently getting into some kind of scuffle, according to the now not guilty defendant, resulting in the death of Deputy Thomas. 26-year-old Alton Oliver, the defendant, saying that he felt threatened and that's why he was forced to open fire, which resulted in the death of the off-duty deputy. The two apparently knew each other some way, somehow. The judge there, when he got the verdict, initially misread it as a guilty verdict, but then was corrected by somebody in the courtroom there. Following up reading the not guilty verdict on all 6 counts. So this obviously coming as a huge relief to 26-year-old Alton Oliver, who is there with his defense team and is walking away a free man this afternoon out of the Fulton County courtroom. This could have gone the complete opposite direction. He could have been thrown in handcuffs and been led away by Fulton County deputies to head for processing to jail. But that is not the case today, as we brought you the verdict live here on Fox Local and on 107.9 HD2 FM, if you're listening along with us. The extraordinary verdict out of Fulton County, a trial and a case that we've been on since the beginning. Deidre Duke's covering it. Our Kim Luffler outside the Fulton County courthouse today in the lead up to this verdict. But this wasn't a snap verdict. It did take a couple of days for the jury to reach this verdict. They asked for only one thing. They had a question that they had for the judge, and he obviously answered that for them. But you heard it here first, the not guilty verdict on all 6 counts in the Fulton County courthouse.